Picture a bustling factory floor in Illinois, 2017. Machines hum, workers focus, but the product line keeps stalling. Why? Krishnamoorthi dives deep into a simple truth. Quality isn't just a step, it's the system itself. But how do you stitch together every piece of design, process, and delivery to create something flawless? That question unlocks the entire journey of quality engineering, where every part, every person, and every process fits into a bigger picture. Early quality control methods tackled bits like statistical sampling or inspection. But what if that's just the tip of the iceberg? Quality engineering insists on seeing the whole beast. Back in the 1970s, Ford and Toyota looked very different in quality approach. Ford inspected finished cars. Toyota redesigned production for flow and feedback. Krishnamurthy highlights how Toyota's holistic view crushed failure rates, proving statistical fixes alone hit a ceiling. Think of a quality system like a jazz band. You can't fix a sour note by tuning a solitary trumpet alone. The rhythm, tempo, and interaction between all players create harmony. Systems thinking interconnects design, manufacturing, and feedback loops into a dynamic quality orchestra. The book emphasizes that rather than catching defects at the end, quality engineering designs errors out up front. It's like weaving a tight net early so nothing slips through. A mind shift from firefighting defects to preventing their birth, cutting waste and boosting customer delight in one stroke. So how exactly do you build quality into the product? Krishnamurthy offers a toolbox, mixing stats and systems, but all aimed at one mission, getting it right the first time. At GE Healthcare, engineers use the House of Quality matrix to translate noisy clinical feedback into precise machine design tweaks. This wasn't guesswork. It was a rigorous mapping that aligned customer voice with specification, transforming fluttering ideas into actionable product changes. Design of experiments, DOE, is like a chef tweaking a recipe. Instead of random tweaks, it's systematic tasting, testing ingredient ratios to find the perfect balance. Krishnamurthy shows how DOE reveals not just which ingredient matters, but how they combine, cutting product trials time drastically. Control charts act like a watchdog for production lines. When a hospital in Munich used them on sterilizer machines, operators spotted subtle process drifts before failures. This proactive policing stopped defects cold, ensuring sterile equipment and patient safety without expensive recalls. Quality isn't just idealism, it moves dollars. Krishnamurthy pulls no punches, showing how quality costs reveal the real money game behind products and processes. The book recounts Alcoa's 1987 turnaround under CEO Paul O'Neill, who shifted focus to worker safety as a quality lens. The startling clarity brought dramatic injury reduction and saved billions in lost productivity and scraps, showing how prevention beats firefighting every time. Quality failure isn't just scraps or returns. It's wasted labor, rework, lost customers, and crushed morale. Imagine a leaking faucet in your budget that costs you not dollars dripping out, but slower work, angry teams, and vanishing market share. This compounded drag often dwarfs direct costs. By applying statistical tools across all departments, sales to shop floor, companies in healthcare and manufacturing discovered cost leaks they never knew existed. Krishnamurthy's examples prove data-driven quality isn't overhead, it's profit's secret weapon. Back on that factory floor in Illinois, that stalled line wasn't a fluke. It was a missing system, unconnected parts. Krishnamurthy's approach teaches us big quality wins come from designing the whole picture, from customer needs to control charts. Next time you face a tough product challenge, stop patching symptoms, try rewiring your process, start at the root, and build quality in from the get-go. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.